Yeah, it's 0 that I turned on a long time ago.
Brakes are your friend. I don't know, let's see.
I hear something. Humvee. You stop when you pass the hill, I'll get out. Oh.
Of course he came.
That should get him. No! Got him.
That was nice. Fucker.
Going after him.
Now we got a new vehicle.
Don't loot that one though, we just have all the shit in it still.
We got wheels on that fucking on that thing.
I'll bring it up to you guys. Or should I loot them first?
Car right here, dude. There's a car right here. There's a car right here, Brad. I'll get him. God, I'm in the fucking. Maybe.